Rise and shine meals. It's Saturday, April 13th. It's 15:30 in Antwerp. Your phone is 37% charged. You have 2 meetings today, and your first meeting is strategic YouTube session at 1600 hours. It's 24 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy today. I forecast 0 meters of rain and winds of 95 kilometers per hour. The UV index is 4. Sunset will be at 2036. Today is the birthday of Tim. Have a great day.
Alright guys, yes, so many of you were happy with the previous video I made, and I got a bunch of questions and suggestions, and I read through all your comments and I made some adjustments to the shortcuts, and also I'm going to share with you some of the best things you can do. You can make your own edits, you can improve this shortcut really easy. For example, people were asking about how to change the voice, how to adjust some of the other components. I'm going to show that with you in this video. I'd also like to give a little shout out to Diego Jimenez, who made the base of this shortcut, so thanks for that. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, welcome to all the new subscribers, to all the new people that found me, and I'm really grateful for that. If you've seen my latest video, plenty of you guys had feedback, had questions, and I am going to address some of the most important ones in this video. How I upgraded and updated the shortcut so it fit your personal needs better. Well, let's go to the shortcut. Now it's called Morning Routine version 1.3. You can get it for free in the description below. You can just download it and install it on your own shortcuts, on your own iPhone, and then use it however you'd like. But first, let's dive into it and make some adjustments you guys have been asking for. First of all, I've added a new calendar section. So how does that work and look? We scroll down to the text because this is all the text that's being said. So as I mentioned, you can change the name here to your own name, the date, the city you're in, and your battery percentage. But I now also added this part. It will count the amount of meetings you have on the current day, and it will also tell you exactly what your first meeting is and also at what time. Next, I made this part here about the weather a bit more easy because there was a bit too much information here. I made it more simple and more straight to the point. I think that's really beneficial. And now let's dive into one of the most important questions you guys had, and that was to change the voice. So for some people the voice wasn't good. How to do this? You just go to this speak text section here. So that's actually all the way to the bottom. Click the little arrow on the right and you can actually change the voice here. So if you go to voice, you have all these default voices. The default ones are really bad. Let me give you an example about the default voices. They're actually really bad.
Rise and shine name. It's Saturday, April 13th.
As you can hear, it's really like robotic, and actually the Siri ones are quite good. So that's the one we have. So there are multiple ones we can select. I have Siri Voice 2.
Rise and shine name. It's Saturday, April 13th. It's 16:39 in Antwerp.
That's already significantly better. Well, let's say you don't have these Siri voices here. You have to add them yourself in your settings. So let me show you how that works. We have to go to settings. In settings, we have to scroll down to accessibility right here. Go to a voiceover and we scroll down and we go to speech. As you can see here, you have voice. Click on that and you can actually see all the different voices that are available. So if we go to English US, scroll down and you have Siri here. Actually, you're able to download any of the 5 voices.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
So yeah, you can actually download these if you want. They'll be added to the shortcut then if you download them, and you can add them if you go to voice and then scroll down and there they are. There are all the different Siri voices. So it's important, as you can see here, this is actually English US. So make sure it's on English US. And of course there are plenty of others, but these are the one for the English United States versions. Next, other people also had issues with the media. You can actually change the volume by pressing the percentage next to the media. I have it at 100%, so that's really easy. Oh, and also one other thing that you can change here is your calendar. So you can actually go to this section here, so it's almost on the top, and you can select your different calendars. So if you click on the third variable here, I have it to werk, which is translated to work, but you can use any of your calendars calendars and then select it there. So that's also really important to know. Some of you guys also were asking about the speed of the voice. You can actually change that by adjusting the rate here. If you put it too fast, it sounds really weird. To demonstrate that,
It's Saturday, April 13th. It's 16:43.
it's really weird. Really too fast and too slow is also not good. So you have to try this out a bit, what works best for you.
Rise and shine name. It's Saturday.
You can't really change it percentage based, but you have to do this a bit based on feeling.
Rise and shine name. It's Saturday, April 13th.
That's better. And I also would like to address one more time how you can add the music, how you can add this to your alarm. So we go to automation, then we hit new automation and we click on alarm. In here we check when the alarm goes off and you can select any alarm, wake up or existing. Let's keep it to any. Then we don't select run after confirmation, but run immediately. We don't want to notify us when it's being run. And then we click next and we select our shortcut. So a morning routine version 1.3. There we go. And now when you put an alarm, let's go and do that. And we select that, 46 now. It's important then that you select the right sound. So in my previous video, I had Morning Rock 1. And now I changed it to Morning Rock 2. And if you don't know how to add these custom sounds to your alarm ringtones, you should definitely watch the video I already made. Yeah, let's save this and let's give a final demonstration how the shortcut works.
Rise and shine name. It's Saturday, April 13th. It's 16:46 in Antwerp. Your phone is 30% charged. You have 1 meetings today and your first meeting is meeting tested 1800 hours.
If you are like me and changing wallpapers all the time, you should definitely check out our custom wallpapers. People seem to really love them as they have been downloaded already thousands and thousands of times. I use these every day and so can you with the link in our description.
There you go guys. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my other videos. I'm going to continuously develop this shortcut until it's absolutely perfect. If you have any feedback or suggestion with regards to the shortcut, let me know in the comments down below and see you in the next one. Peace.